Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to log into your NatWest Bank mortgage online account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. On your desktop, open any web browser that you're comfortable with, and then on the search URL, search for NatWest Mortgage login. And after that, click on the very first link that says manage your mortgage account or www.natwest.com. This will lead you to this interface. Now in order to log into your mortgage account, scroll down, and then at the right side of your screen you will see login to manage your mortgage. So click on there, and after that you will see this interface. Scroll down a little bit, and then in here that says login here to manage your mortgage. And now scroll down. In here type in your mortgage account number, and then down there enter your date of birth, and then again type in your surname where it says surname, and then again down there enter your mortgage properties postcode. Now once you're done typing your mortgage properties postcode, but before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll get updated the next time we upload more tutorials. After you're done with typing your mortgage properties postcode, so once you click on this login option, you will be logged into your NatWest Mortgage online account. So that is how you can simply log into your NatWest Bank mortgage online account. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.